హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం టైం గురించి తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. 1 day is equal 24 hours, 1 hour is equal 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal 60 seconds, 1 year is equal 12 months, 1 year is equal 365 days, 1 leap year is equal 366 days, 1 week is equal 7 days, 31 days months. January, March, July, May, August, December. 31 days months. April, June, November, September. 28/29 days month February.